Hello guys, it's now 6:57 and I wanted to record this video today, so I hope you like it. I'm still building with Steve TNT Boom 23, which is Alexander Alarms. We changed it up. I built east, west, middle. I mean, actually, west back, middle school, west back, and I shortened everything. He's still in build mode, but he could see me. He's facing right there. We're gonna set off the security system. Says it's disarmed. We're gonna arm it in 60 seconds. We're still waiting for it to arm. Okay, I think it's armed. Yeah, it is. There, now we're gonna test the fire alarm system. For some reason, the strobes don't work. I have no aware. That's the motion detector. I'm gonna go inside the panel room. See, it's not flashing at all. There's no silence, so we're gonna go ahead and reset that. Okay, thanks for watching.